Hello my love muffins, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this ombre hair color using the watercolor method, and this honestly was by accident. By the way, this is WKWIG hair that I am using to achieve this hair color as well. I will leave their information in the description box below, but this is their Brazilian straight hair. Now I'm going to try my hardest to explain to you what is going on and all the tea that comes with it, sis, but it was a lot. So I went to the beauty supply store in hopes of getting a fire peachy shade. Now they didn't have anything, so I just knew that I was going to have to finesse something. So I went with an orange shade color from Kiss Hairline. Now this dye ended up being hella orange. It was like blood orange. It just wasn't even like, who considers this orange? Not me. So I had to use a ton of conditioner to get a perfect like orange kind of shade, but it just wasn't going to be peachy. Like I was going to have to use my whole bottle of conditioner if I wanted it to be a real peach shade. But I was okay with this because I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and just do a orange kind of look. Now when I realized that it still wasn't giving me like peach no matter what I was doing, even adding it in that super hot boiling water, like I was like, whatever, I'm gonna do ombre. So I put the bottom half of the hair in the water, and that was because I knew that it still was giving dark tees. So I left that in there for a little while, and I also started focusing it on the mid shaft of the hair. I wanted to make sure that it was giving off a gradient effect versus it not, because you know how crazy that can look if you talking about doing ombre and you just give like this super harsh line of darkness and then super harsh line of lightness. So that's why I started focusing it on the mid shaft, and then you start seeing me just going back and forth with adding a little bit more dye towards the bottom of the hair and also towards the top, because I wanted to make sure that all of the hair got the orange dye on it. Okay, like I didn't want any blonde pieces at all. So you start seeing me put more dye, more conditioner. You start seeing me put more of the mixture in the water. When the water starts turning pastel, then that's when you start focusing. That's when I start focusing, putting the top half of the hair in there versus the bottom, and then I just go back and forth. So I also start using the brush and start putting the dye on the hair, like even with my brush with my hand, because I wanted to make sure once again that all of the pieces had orange on the hair. So in the video you'll see me do that, and I'll talk to you guys about the hair, about WKWIG hair and how it's holding up in a second, but I just want you guys to watch the struggling process of me do this hair color with some music, obviously. Alright, loves, so what I'm going to do is just throw in some slight curls, nothing crazy. I just wanted to bump it just so it can look, you know, wearable. Now, the hair quality, obviously, what do you think is going on? Like, it should be soft as hell, and that it is, because I have so much freaking conditioner in this freaking hair that it's not even shangling. It's not tangling or shedding, anything like that, girl. It's holding up really, really nice. The only thing about this hair is that it really doesn't hold a curl for a very long time because we are curling straight hair, and also because I don't like putting hairspray on weave. Like, it's just a no-no for me. So I don't even add hairspray unless it's just towards my frontal, obviously, like, you know, just to hold my frontal down. But I don't like putting hairspray on the hair, so it's pretty hard, you know, to curl straight hair and expect it to stay all day. Don't mind my boobs, my sports bra is hella tight, like hella tight. So anyway, I have fun doing this. West Kiss hair, I feel like, has improved like over the years because I've worked with this company a while back, and their blonde hair, their 613 hair, I feel like it was giving real Barbie doll vibes like back then, but like now it's really like, you know, I feel like you guys will like it, to be honest with you. And the hair is holding up still really, really good. So I'm not mad at it. I really think I want to dye this hair like a burgundy shade, like a really deep cherry burgundy shade. I don't know. If you guys agree, let me know in the comment section. If you guys want to see me do it, let me know in the comment section as well. But once again, I have fun doing this with you guys. Thank you so freaking much for watching. And as you can see, the hair looks really, really healthy right there. Like, not mad at it at all. Love you. See you guys in my next one.